I'm Savannah. And it is our 2-year anniversary. Officially 2 years. We've been dating for 2 years, but we've known each other forever. You didn't just see something come in here?
Reason I had to move out of my flat. I was home alone.
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
All right, what ghost let my dog out? W.O. permission.